Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are good. Welcome back to my channel, your hairstyle guide. May Allah Almighty give you health, and health success in every field of life. Today I am back with very beautiful and amazing pixie haircut ideas. In this video, you can find very beautiful and amazing and different hair dyes of pixie hair. If you like my video and if you are new on my channel, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. And please let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.